So as I've been saying always, when you are cooking, try to infuse a lot of things inside so that it won't be only cooking or just eating, but eating and curing yourself as well. Yeah, so let's do this. It is what it is. Yeah, so this is our green soup. Man, tell a friend and tell a brother to come and witness correct green soup, man. Shit. Very thick, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow. Man, you need to try this food. You need to try this food. Hello, brothers, sisters. Yeah, so I want to make some green soup, yeah? Green soup. So I'm taking you to one of the local shops. So we have, yeah. And since I'm not in Ghana, we're using spinach to do this green soup. So let's get inside and get some green soup or green spinach for green soup. Some carrots. I'll add some mushrooms to it. Yeah, so these are mushrooms. One ones over here. So it's expired in 2 days time. I'm going to use it right now. So one mushroom. Let me mix the colors. Yeah. So I have one white mushroom, one brown. The price is, the brown one is 95 and the white one is 85. So normally when I cook, I try to infuse more things inside, more ingredients to make it authentic and more to be bombed with proteins and nutrients, but also to think about your children or kids or visitors and other stuff. Yeah, so a soup like this, I'll be adding broccoli to it. Okay, so they are not expensive. This is 53 pence. So one broccoli and we're good to go. We're done with the shopping. Come on, man. After 10 minutes, it's raining. So it's raining. Man, UK weather. After 10 minutes, it's raining. God damn it. Anyway, let's go make some green soup. Yeah? Authentic green soup. Orchard one. Okay, yeah, so I have my carrots over here. I have celery or sedano. I have broccoli. I have spinach, okay? And over here too, I have dawa, which is African locust. I have one pepper. I have alligator seed pepper. I have groves, and I have black pepper over here as well, which I'll be using for the seasoning, okay? And I have chicken drums. I have what do you call it? Mushrooms over here, white and brown one mixed together, and I have eggplants, aubergine, okay, one. And over here too, I have beef. I have beef, lean beef, okay, and I have one fat or big red onion. I have 6 cloves of pieces of garlic and ginger. So I'm using this amount of ginger because the weather is very bad over here in UK and like some coughing and things. Okay, so ginger will help reduce any other stuff. That all my the 3 things are going inside. Yeah, they're going inside the pressure cooker or the rice cooker. Add a bit of water. Yeah. So just 5 minutes. 5 minutes of the pressure cook. Make you take your time. Make you know yourself for money. I'm telling you, money go quick. To my ginger and onion. A bit of water. So I have this chicken drums over here. All goes inside, and the beef. You go inside like that. I don't normally use spoon or what do you call it? to measure. Some of the water, yeah, to help it blend. Wow, you see, very, very smooth. So if you have this in your soup, come on man, tell me something. The mash will go inside now.
I don't know waiting I go do. I go pay you tomorrow. My wife they cry for money, oh. My children they cry for trouble. I so wahala in my house. I go pay you tomorrow. She said, give me quarter, I go pay you tomorrow. Said, give me half, oh, I bet she said, give me quarter, I go pay you tomorrow. Said, give me half, oh,
and I'll use the water, the hot water, to wash inside. Okay, so now this is the green soup. So are you guys seeing the final results? Yeah, this is the green. So if you are vegan, you can take away the chicken and the meat, then you do mushrooms. So I won't add any water to it. The only water that I add is the one that I used to cook. I used to boil the spinach. That's it. That's the only water that I've used. So now on the minimum heat, everything will cook by itself, and we have our green soup over here. How do you see? I need to taste for salt and see how the salt content, how it is.
to forget my problems.
Man, avocado. Hey, me a bad boy too much. Me a bad boy. Hey, I can check a credit. Wow. So a bit of salt, yeah, just to, yeah, so very little salt. You can help you come out, so you can testify yourself that this is not the ordinary green soup that you know. This is not the normal EBUNUEBUNU kind that you know. This is extraordinary.
Wow. If I booze, so I go forget my problems. If I booze, I go forget my worries. If I booze, I go forget my sorrows. So wahala in my house. I go pay you tomorrow.